We have explained about F-02, how to post a document. But yesterday, when I was going through all the topics, which topics we have completed at this moment, there is a one clarification which was missed. Okay, from my end, what I told. Okay, so the GL account posting, the GL account documents can post. Okay. If I go up here, I just mentioned here. See now the GL account document postings we can able to post by using F-02, FB50. Okay, most are the cases, and FB01. FB01 by using this one we can use for any postings. Okay, only for, let us see that what is the difference between F-02 FB50. Okay, at this stage onwards, okay, we need to understand each and everything. Now I'll put it here. The difference between F-02 and FB50. Okay, for both transaction codes, remember has given by SAP to post to the GL account documents. Now let me go here. Okay, then accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, document. Okay, now let me open one screen. Okay, document postings, first one, FB50. Meanwhile, I will open one more document, one more screen, F-02. Now, I will explain you what is the difference between F-02 and FB50. Okay, so now in F-02, what we used to do, okay, in F-02, if I want to post any document, then what I need to do, I need to give the document date and posting date. Even here also, document date, posting date is a quite common. Just understand the fields, what fields are changed here. Then the currency is I mean company code. You don't see that company code, right? From where the company code need to be. Now you can see by default A001 company code is appearing here. Now just click on company code. Okay, the date. Okay, I will just enter the date here. Click on the company code. Change the company code to which company code you are posting. Z0 is company code has given. Now you can see here Z0 company code. Then document type. Document type, you are unable to see that document type. Okay, document types will be called from the backend. Automatically system will call the document type. Okay, then if I go to the details tab, even you don't see that one, but document types will be called backend. Okay, now the next one is that reference document header cross company code. This and are quite common wherever you can see here. This is the information. But now you cannot see, okay, GL account. Even here also in F-02 also there is an option to key the GL account. What GL account which you want to debit, which GL account you want to credit. Then here the same thing, the same content, even FB50 also. But now only thing is that in F-02, we have to select posting keys. You should aware what is the debit, what is credit. Okay, the posting keys. But now in FB50, okay, if I go to the FB50, here does not require the posting keys. Okay, so then only you need to select debit and credit. Okay, by these indicators are associated with your posting keys. So that is the reason system automatically it will call the posting keys backend. Let's see, debit entry, amount, 2000. Okay. Then I will select one more entry. Okay, I'll put it this one. Bank account is a credit, debit is my expenses. I'll just keep it as a star. Now, if you want to text and all, okay, long text. We have a long text, right? If I go to the next screen, currency also it is there. So now long text here it is there, right? In this field also, okay, if I go to here, see now assignment number, value date it is there. Since it is a bank transaction, it will definitely ask again. Then to the cost center, other fields also it is there, even text also it is there. If you go towards right, then you can able to see that text will be there. Okay, transaction. Okay, text will be there. Okay, again, if it is a required field, then system automatically it will populate. Enter. Now see, the document status is a green status. This is the debit entry. This is a credit entry. Now let me simulate this one. Okay, this is the document header. This is the line item where we are separating at the time of posting only. Then click on the document simulate. We are just displaying the document. Now you can see here, the system automatically it is calling debit and credit indicators. Okay, by specifying that one. That is the reason there is no difference between F-02 to FB50. Okay, if somebody will ask you, then either you can go by the F-02 or you can use FB50 transaction code to post your GL account documents. Let me post this document. Now see the document has been posted. Document display. Okay, see now the same way how we have posted the document in earlier days. Okay, this is the document header. This is the line item tables. Okay, then fine. This is what I want to explain. Okay, this was one clarification which I was missed in earlier session. Okay, now let us go to the let us go back to the. Okay, is it clear altogether for all? The difference between F-02 and FB50?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then so in the last session, we have discussed about the hold document functionality. So now in order to execute the hold document functionality, okay, because the functionality of the hold document, we just need to keep it as a temporary, okay. Then once the money will be returned back to that person, then the petty cash who is maintaining that person X, it will be either he will go for the deletion of that hold document, or if the entry is a valid approved by the management, the amount, okay, if this amount will be hand loan as a converted into loan amount, then then this would require to post the entry into the system. Okay, remember now the points to be, okay, you need to understand, keep in mind. When we are creating a corporate document, then number one is a the PowerPoint document will not have any impact on GL accounts. So when I say this one, so GL accounts in the sense, if you create any hold document directly, it will not hit to your GL account. And second thing is that there will not have any finance impact. Okay, now if I am not posting any document into system at the same time, then there will not have any finance impact, because if the entries are posted, then that is well and good. Here the entries are not posting, so that is the reason. Then it will not have any impact in finance. Okay, just keep in mind. Now, what are the steps? Steps to be followed to run whole document. To run whole document. Then number one is a then run a program. Okay, we need to run a program called how to run a program. RFTM PULB, RFTM PULU. Okay, this is the program what we need to run. Then for conversion of the folder document, for conversion of the folder documents. Okay, this program, this is the widget. Okay, without execution of this one, you may not. Okay, you will not perform the folder document functionality. Then creation of folder documents. Then the transaction code is a F-02. Okay, so the transaction code to creation of hold document, either you can use F-02, FB50, FB01. Okay, so I am only talking about GL. Remember. Then the next one is that once the document will be created, then deletion or complete hold document. Hold document. Then the transaction code is the same, F-02 only. Then, okay, so now these are the three steps which we need to perform because no additional configuration is to be required. This is the prerequisite. Okay, let's see that one. Now, how to execute the program. Okay, now to run the program, step number one. To run the program, RFTM PULU. Okay, to run the program, what we need to do? To run the program, go to transaction code SC38 and key the program. Key the program. Let's see. Go to SC38 transaction code. SC38. Then RF. TM. Typing. Okay. RFTM. TMPLU. Is not searching. RFTM. PLU. Okay, let me find out. RFTM. Here, RFTM PLU. Yeah, RFTM. RFTM. Okay. PBLU. Okay, convert hold document. I just mentioned is a wrong thing. Let me correct this one. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, now this is the document. Then enter, come here. Okay, then what you can do, you can come here and execute here straightforward. Okay, so once this will be selected, okay, then select this one, no termination. Okay, read error, then execute. Okay, no conversion necessary. All hold documents are correct. Okay, then once this will be done, save it. If you want, you can specify the variant. I mean, when this is not required, okay, the save is not required, but I'm just saving this one if you want. Okay, then again and again, no need to come back and no need to do this one, because why I have deselected this one, because for other batches, okay, for each and every batch I want to show this one. That is the reason it's a deselected. Okay, so I did not save here. Then now the initial step we have already performed. Okay, now let me go to F-02 transaction code. Okay, in order to post the hold document, then give the document date and posting date. The other parameters are the quite common. Then here, let me select this one. Here I am just crediting the cash because I am giving hand loan to here. If we look into this scenario, okay, X is the employee, okay, is responsible for the or to maintain petty cash. Okay, now Y is the employee, is an accountant. So now X has given some hand loan to Y. Okay, so now Y needed a urgent base some amount 10,000 rupees. The X has given 10,000 to the Y as a hand loan. Remember, okay, that is the reason we are giving that money to the, okay, Y. So that is the reason here the cash is going out, okay, from our, I mean, not from the bank account. The cash is going from petty cash to, okay, the Y. Then let's see this one. Now enter amount. Here the value date, choose the value date, today's date. Then enter the description. Paid. Okay, I'll just mention here. Then now what we need to do, document, go to header, then click on the hold document. See now, system would require is a temporary document number. What is the temporary document which we need to specify? Then click on hold. See the document which has been created. Okay, remember how to display the document. Hold documents. Okay, same here only. Go to F-02 only transaction code. Again, I'm coming /n F-02. Then I'm just giving the document date again. Okay, then company code and all is a quite common. Remember in earlier what I have given only the credit account, credit. Okay, the cash was credited, the cash GL account was credited. Okay, now here I am giving the 40. Here I am receiving money from that particular person. Then okay. So now what I will do, if you feel that, okay, if you feel that, I mean, if you are giving, I mean, some other amount to the additional person, then you can enter here. Otherwise, what you can do, simply no need to enter all these things. Okay, we'll think about. Then go to document, get the hold doc. Okay, don't confuse. F-02. Go to document, get the held document. See now click on the display documents because we don't know which document we have entered. Okay. If there are multiple documents, we must have to choose from the drop down. Okay. Just select this document. See now, once the person will be returned back that money, then you can delete if you want. Then if you feel that, okay, if this document is a correct, what you need to do, click on this one. Okay, this has been converted. Fine. This is a conversion factor only. Okay, I will take care of this one. Don't worry. Then, so now we have already entered the amount. Okay, for the debit. If you feel that, okay, once if it is a valid entry, then some hand loan. Okay, let us assume we'll create some one GL account. FS00. What I will do, I will create one GL account. Let's see which GL account is 200-2005. It is there. 100-2006 I will create. Okay, see, because why I am creating two series, the hand loans are the assets for our organization. I'm just creating. Then is a Z0 D hand loans assets for us. Other parameters are quite common. Then save it. Now this is the credit entry. The bank, I mean, from the petty cash, okay, we have paid that amount. Then select this one, enter. Then document, simulate it, then post it. So now here, what is happening here? This is the asset for us. Okay, the hand loans are assets. Okay, so the employee must have to repay that one. Okay, then if it is a valid one, see now the document has been posted. Now, if you feel that still would you require the whole document or not? You can decide. Once that will be done, get the held document. Sorry, go to documents list. Now you can see here, because the document itself, we have edited some other parameters and we have posted document into the system. Okay, so now you cannot see, I mean, no more document is available here. That is the one thing. Then how to create the whole document and how to post the whole document. Okay, so now if you are clear about the whole document, then we'll go to the next one. If anyone is having any further query, so please let me know. Okay, fine. Barcode document. We have discussed about the whole document. Then the next document types. Okay, but now see, as a FI consultant, okay, you should know about all these different kind of document. Okay, either barcode document, sample document, okay, any other document. But now in real time, in when you will be there into as a consultant, these and all will be used more and more by the business users. Okay, we will never ever use these things. Okay, but now at least we should know the functionalities. That is the reason I am explaining in detail. Okay, otherwise this and all does not require. Okay, then now the park document. What is mean by the park document? Then I will give an example. Okay, once the example, let me. So now functionality. Okay, business. First of all, we need to understand business purpose. Business purpose or usage of the whole document. Sorry, park document. Now X is a X is an accountant. Accountant. He okay. He want to post a document in system with the value. Let us think about 20,000 rupees. Then, but remember, but X does not have an authorization to post, or he needs some clarification, or okay, he need to review the document with his manager. So manager in the sense, review in the sense, he need to get approved from his manager before going to post the document. He need to review, I'll put it, or approve the document with his manager. Then in this situation, what will happen? See, now I can create one document in the system, then I will send a mail. But now the here functionality, what we need to understand, the X person, as soon as once the person will be created the document, then within SAP itself, that communication need to trigger to his manager. Remember, this is what because in outside you have Outlook or Gmail, different kind of communication channels are there. Okay. So in day by day environment, okay, you are creating around every day around hundreds of documents. In such situation, if you want to inform to your manager through mail communication, through Outlook, that is highly impossible. And also maybe there could be a chances to forget some documents. In such situation, what SAP has provided within SAP itself. Okay, to whom you want to send that communication and who is the person need to review the document and who is the person need to approve that document. Then that communication itself should happen within SAP. Then how to do this one? Okay, how to send that communication within SAP? Okay, this is the business logic or business purpose. Okay, behind the barcode document. But let us see that. Okay, then what is the impacts? Okay, what is the impacts? Okay, then enter the document. Enter the document. X will park the document. Park okay. Park in system. Okay, park in the system. Okay, enter the doc. Okay, X will create. I'll put it like this. X will create and park the document. Create a document and park in the system. Okay, he will park in the system. Step number one. Then once this will be done, then once he will be created, then he himself is informing. Okay, informs to manager. Manager to review or approve. Okay, whatever. Then remember here the manager, once the communication will receive, then they will review and review if needed. Remember, if needed, he will do some changes. Changes as required. Okay, so now what he will do, the manager, in case if there are any changes to be required, then he himself will do the changes. Then once the changes will be done, then remember the important thing, accounts, okay, there will not have any impact. There will not have any GL impact. So meaning that we have not yet posted any document, right? Until now, the document, it is there still in the parked status only. Okay, it is reviewing. Okay, then and also there will not have, there will not have any impact on finance. Remember, this is the one we must have to specify. Okay, so we will not have any impact on finance as soon as once you create the park document. Then the next one is that once the manager will be approved, then and release the document. Okay, and the manager, once the changes will be done, manager will release the document, release the document for postings. Then once the document received back, okay, from the manager, means the document already reviewed by the manager. There were some changes to be required. He already did the changes. Now he want to, now once the document is ready, okay, so now the accountant will able to do the post document. Okay, then once once manager release the document, release the document, will be posted and updated records and updated records. See now here the document, well, this is the final step. Okay, so now until to reach this step, okay, then there will not have any impact. Okay, until to reach this final step, because what will happen here only I mentioned a word is a posting. Okay, remember posted. Until before posting, okay, you do not have any impact on your finance or GL accounts. Okay, in last step only I mentioned the document we are posting. Okay, then this is what you need to understand, because at this moment there will not have any impact in finance level. Okay, then I'll select this one. Then from here the accountant will be created, then he will communicate to his manager. Then remember, then again the same will be communicated to this person. Again the same information at the last step. Okay, informs to accountant, here not manager, informs to accountant to post a document, post a document. Then this is the last step what we have performed. Okay, now it is fine. So now this is the last step which is coming back from manager. uh, Manager to, okay, informs accountant, then the accountant will do the postings into the system. This is what, okay, remember. Now how to do this, for how to perform parkour document in within SAP system. Let's see the steps. What are the steps to be required? Steps to required to post a perform to perform a parkour document. Then number one is a posting of a barcode document. Posting of a barcode document by accountant. Remember, even I'm just mentioning the characters also here for our better understanding. Inform to manager, inform to account. Okay. Informs to manager for review and approve. Okay, who is informing? Okay, accountant is informing. He is the person is informing at this moment. Then the step number 3 would be display the barcode document. Display the barcode document and change and do the changes as required. Okay, I will do so. I mean, the manager will do the changes if it is needed. Then the next one is after changes, display the barcode document. Then, okay, I'll put it here. Yeah. Yeah. I'll put it in the beginning itself so that it will be easy for us to understand. Then again the same. Then manager, okay, display the barcode document and do the changes. Again, the manager itself, what he will do? Manager. Then after changes, he will inform to accountant to post the document. Then again, the manager will communicate back to accountant, okay, to post the document. Then the next one is that, okay, display the changes. Anyone can display the changes to barcode document. So what are the changes which we have done? I mean, the manager, what changes he did, okay, during his review or the approval, okay, then even everybody can able to see the changes. Now, let us go and perform this, okay. Then the same, go to the posting of a barcode document, okay. So now this is the required steps what we need to perform. Then end user activities. End user activities. No additional configuration to be required. Okay, remember what we have done for GL, that is sufficient. Okay, then number one is a end user activities. Remember, end user activities we have discussed it separately. Initial one, what we need to do? Create a barcode document by using F-65 is the transaction code. Okay, then the next one is that inform to manager. Okay, then this is within the system itself. We will do that one. Then the next one is that display the barcode document. Display the barcode document. The transaction code is a FB50. Then once this will be done, then the next one is that display changes barcode document. Barcode document. Okay, FB. This is the transaction code is a okay, FBV5. So these are the steps which we are going to perform. But let us see that one. Okay. Then let me go to the path. Fashion, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, posting. Now you can see here F-65. This is the transaction code. Okay, if you know the transaction code directly, you can go click on this one. See now, as soon as once you have selected F-65, you can see here this option. Okay, only transfer amount, document, currency, and invoice. Okay, that is fine. But now park document header. Okay, this is what we are trying to post. But now, as soon as if I create the park document, then it will not have any impact. Okay, fine. Let's say this one. Document date and posting date, company code and everything what we have given. Then I have given is a posting key is a 40. Cash and bank. Then amount I will enter is a 90,999 because I just need some clarification from the manager because I am not sure about the amount. Then for document I have mentioned, then 50. You can take anyone, okay, just for your understanding. Share capital here. Then then let me enter. Enter. Up to here we know the process. Okay, even in earlier postings also we have seen, but how to communicate this document to the, okay, then how to communicate, because as of now, then as of now this document did not inform to my senior person. Menu, okay, document. Okay, first let me park the document. Go to menu, document, click on the park document. See now this is the park document what it has been created. Now document one starting with start one and ending with 4. Remember, if you want to go back and check in FBL3N display here. Okay, see the document 4 it has been created. Okay, even the 4 also it is associated with this GL account. But now you cannot see this document because see the document it is a temporary document only. Even it's not posted first of all. You can see here. Then coming back here, how I need to inform this document. Okay. Then go to system, 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 then short messages. Click on this short messages. Okay. Then here what I am trying to keep here, I am just giving the document number here. Okay, I'll just give the document number. I'll keep it 4. Okay, here it is 3. It is there. I'll keep it 4. Then what I will do, please. Okay, so I'll title. I'll keep it review the document. Then what I will put it here is the, okay. So now yes sir, whatever it may be, please review the document. That's it. Then to whom we are sending this document, who is the recipient? Select, come down here. Okay, SAP logon name, because each and every person will have a separate user ID in real-time environment. Then this is my user ID. Okay, give here SAP user. Okay, give the SAP user, then select this option is the okay express mail checkbox. Select this option. Remember, then select the send button here. Okay, I'm just sending this communication to my manager because I am the accountant. Because since we have only one ID. Okay, so I am sending the ID to, I mean the communication to this person. You feel that SAP user is the manager. Okay, now I am the accountant. I am sending this communication. Just send this one. The communication has been sent. Come to the, see now somewhere as soon as once I log in into the system, such kind of messages you can see. Express document 1004, review the document received from author. Okay, then let me go. I don't want to go here. Then where is my SAP system? Where is the inbox of SAP? Okay, then in the easy access, click on the SAP Business Workplace. Now you can see here inbox, outbox, okay, resubmission. You can come here, unread messages. There are two messages. One is the 19/5/2023. Today itself we have communicated this one. Double click this one. What information it contains. Okay, dear sir, please review the document. Once the person will be reviewed, okay, what he will do, he will go back and he will review this document. Then, okay, go to the document. Then let me go to the transaction code. FB50 is the transaction code where I want to do the changes. Okay, see park document initial screen, enter. I want to do some changes. Now, instead of 19,999, I'll give the 20,000 amount. Then only one line item is not sufficient. See, still there is a 1 rupee difference because debit credit both should match here. Enter, simulate. Okay, now the changes, whatever the changes I have done. Okay, then even if you want, you can do some changes also. Okay, additional changes, text information, whatever you want. Then once this will be done, then save it. Okay, see now, I mean, if you want, you can post the document. Otherwise, okay, then don't do any changes. I mean, don't select the, I mean, don't click on the save option. Okay, since it is a parkour document only, just click on this one, the save. Okay, document posted in, okay, was changed. See now preliminary posted document 1004 Z0SG was changed, not posted. Remember, I did some changes. Again, I need to communicate back to the accountant. Okay, so for postings, then how can I communicate? Reply. Now the document has been reviewed and post it. Just now sending back to same. See now recipient, okay, to whom we need to send. Okay, then send this information. Okay, document sent. Now come back. Just this is the latest communication. Now if we can come back again, see, I'm just refreshing this one. Come back and refresh once again. We can able to see the two documents again. Okay, see now. See now the document has been reviewed and posted. This is the communication 729, the timestamp also where you can see here. Now the person who is the authorized person? I mean accountant, because what changes has done by the manager, he don't want at this moment. He just want to go back and he want to post the document. Then what he will do? Then he will go back and he will display the document. Then he will post the document now. Simply. The value date is to be required. See now, document 1004 was posted in company code. Now let me come back here. See 1003 only we can see. List, refresh it. Item displays. Play. Okay, 2006 I have selected hand loads. Okay, sorry, I'll select this. Sorry, another document. 2005, right? Okay, execute here. Now you can see here the document 1004 has been posted. This is the amount which we have parked document. Now let us see that one. What changes has done by my manager? How can I see that one? Then we'll go by the path only. Okay, if you want, then accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, then come to the postings, output document, some mass changes, accounts receivable, okay, postings, reference documents, here, FB5 document, here, output documents, display the changes. Okay, what changes we have done? Display the changes FB5. Then click on this one. Enter. See, there are few changes. Amount has been changed. Okay, click on all items. Earlier, I mean, the amount was old amount was 19,999. This is the new amount. Okay, these are the changes which the manager has done. Okay, now if you want to see the changes also. Okay, apart from this, there are few additional uh, are there. Okay, if we want to reject that also, even we can able to reject this also, where you can see here. Okay, different functionalities are there. Okay, this is what how the parked document functionality. Then tomorrow, I mean, what we will do, we will discuss the sample document in tomorrow's session. Then there are few, I mean, okay, we'll complete most of the cases maybe in sample document. Once that will be completed, then we'll go for the month-end activities. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll continue the session tomorrow. Okay. So then my suggestion would be, okay, please try to one.